Hey there! This week, we're focusing on something that might make you squirm a little, but not in a bad way. I know. Is there such a thing as a pleasant squirm? Just work with me for a moment. We're going to check in with ourselves using 10 behaviors that support well-being. Think of it as another audit where we drill down more into your life. You know how we all like to say we're taking care of ourselves, we're simplifying our lives and appreciating the little things? Well, this is where we actually see if we're walking the talk. Once you read through the 10 behaviors, you should see a theme emerging. The behaviors are about making space, holding space, and prioritizing space for you. Let's preview 2 of the behaviors that you'll see listed in the playbook. The first one is definitely worth a preview. Behavior 1, I acknowledge that I cannot control all circumstances in life. Okay, this is a big one, and trust me, nobody likes admitting this. But here's the truth. When you let go of trying to control everything, your stress levels drop faster than your cell phone battery when you've got way too many apps open. This one is not about giving up. It's about focusing on what you can control and freeing yourself from all the rest. Now, take a moment and think about the last time you tried to control something that was totally outside of your control. Was it last week? Was it yesterday? Was it just 5 minutes ago? Yes, we have all been there, and I will be the first one to raise my hand. But acknowledging that you can't control everything is like giving yourself permission to breathe. It's a weight off your shoulders. All right, so that was a preview of 1. Let's go ahead and skip ahead to 1 that's a little bit more fun. Behavior 5. I slow down, enjoy life, laugh more, and worry less. Now, be honest. How often do you really slow down? Or better yet, how often do you laugh at something that isn't a meme? If you're laughing more at emails than you are at life, we need to make some adjustments, okay? This behavior, as expressed in number 5, is about finding those moments of joy in your day, whether it's taking an extra minute with your morning tea or coffee, watching a funny video, or actually stopping to appreciate something beautiful around you. Quick exercise for you. Right now, look around you, wherever you are. Find one thing in your space that brings you joy. Just one thing. It could be anything. A photo, a plant, a cozy blanket. Maybe it's your fur baby who's sitting on your lap or at your feet right now. For me, when I look around my space, I'm zeroing in on a photo of me and my daughter from when I visited her, and we had such a good time together. So just looking at that photo is bringing me joy because I'm reliving what that experience was like. So for you, whatever that is in your space, take a second to truly appreciate it. That's what it means to slow down and enjoy life. Okay, so for this next part, it's up to you. You can either pause the video so that you can complete Battle Plan 9 in the workbook, or you can keep watching, complete the battle plan later at your leisure, and then come back and rewatch. Okay, so come closer. Let's talk results. You'll have a final tally anywhere between 0 and 10 that you were able to check off as a behavior that has characterized you over the past 6 months to a year. Here's what it all means. If you have a score of 8 to 10, first of all, let me just give you that virtual high five. You're clearly walking the right talk when it comes to well-being. But don't stop now. Don't rest on your laurels. Keep going, keep doing what you're doing, and take it a step further. For you, the small action item is this. Share what's working for you with someone else. Leave a note for other warriors in our community to let us know your top tips. You might be just the inspiration needed to spark positive changes for at least one other person. All right, so if you have a score of 6 to 7, you're doing a lot right, but there's room to grow. The behaviors that you're skipping or struggling with are probably creating a bit of tension in your life. So here's your action item. Pick just one behavior from the list and commit to working on it for a week. Focus on that one change and see how it impacts your overall well-being. If you have a score of 3 to 5, all right, you're feeling the stress, no doubt about that. This is where the rubber meets the road. Your well-being is being held back, and you probably feel it in your day-to-day life. Your action item is to prioritize self-care, and I mean this seriously. Schedule something for yourself this week that's just for you. No compromises. Trust me, it'll make a world of difference. All right, so this one is the hard part for me. If you have a score of 0 to 2, ooh, child, listen, you're in survival mode right now, and that's tough. But the good news is you've recognized it, and that's the first step to turning things around. Your action item is simple. And yes, the word simple is in quotation marks. Ask for help. Whether it's from a friend, a loved one, or a professional, reaching out is the most powerful thing you can do right now. Don't try to do this alone. This week feels full and heavy for me, just in terms of what each of these behaviors signals. Even though we only delved into the first one for a preview and the fifth one for a preview, all of these are part of what comprises a fuller and more complete picture of your well-being. Please reflect on that. Next up, Battle Plan 10, Identifying Heroes. Until then, be well. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Wherever you're starting from, there's always a way to move forward. So, what's one thing you're going to start working on today? Pick something and let's walk the right talk together. That needed to be the PS to my sign off. I'm feeling this one, y'all. This week, I'm really feeling this one. Until next time.